Hello guys, I want to just let you know how I resolved the issue on sound problem Lenovo ThinkPad. When you are recording your videos or sound, it bugs your voice and makes an echo. I want to just tell you, when you go to start and say sound, when you type there, you have a couple items. I just tried all of them and just try to see which one has the most kind of terrible effect on this issue. I went to enhancement and I just unclick all of those. Some computers are having different versions and there are some boxes. I just unclick all those and said okay, and now it's working and I have no kind of background and echo voice. It works perfectly. Just want to share with you.